How to change your language on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'm simply going to guide you on how you can change your language on Amazon account. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply open any of the browser which you have on your device. You could open Mozilla, you could open Chrome, you could open Microsoft Edge, you could open Opera, or any of the browser which you think is convenient for you. I'm going to simply open Chrome for my convenience, and in the search box you want to simply go to Amazon.com. So once you go to Amazon.com, make sure the link and the URL is correct. I'm also going to leave them down in the description box, so go ahead and simply be sure to check them out and then go to Amazon.com. As you go to Amazon.com, you can see you will be taken to this page right over here, and you can see this is how the home interface of the Amazon website is actually going to look like. Now you can see by default it is currently set to English, but what if I want to change the language of this Amazon website or the Amazon app? What I can do is, when you're on the home interface right over here, on the top right hand side of the screen you'll be able to see this flag icon. You can see by default it is currently set to English, and you have the option to actually change it to other languages. So I'm going to simply let this go, and I'm going to simply tap on this icon. Once you click on this icon, you can see we're going to be taken to this page to customize our language settings. Now you can go ahead and select any of the languages you want, such as Spanish, Portuguese, and any other language which you want. And at the bottom you also have the option to actually change the currency settings. So go ahead and simply select any of the currency settings which you think is convenient for you. Once done, you can also go ahead and simply tap on the language, and at the bottom you can simply tap on this yellow icon, which is to actually save the changes. Once you save the changes, you can see that we will be taken to this page. By default, if you have a Google Translator installed, it will also ask you to convert the language to English, but if you want to leave it at that, you can simply close this dialog box, and then you can see that the language has been successfully changed. If you want to change it again, simply tap on it and then set it to English, and the language will be successfully changed again. So this was it on how you could very easily actually change your language on the Amazon website or the Amazon interface. We hope you liked this video. If it did help you in any way, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts regarding this, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.